Do you know the most easiest and the quickest way to make money online now is for you to build a SaaS product? What is a SaaS product? It's a software product that people can use all over the world, and you can make money designing or creating these softwares for people all over the world. You can also make money from charging subscription. You can also make money from adverts. So big brands will come and place adverts on this SaaS product because the sites are very, very popular. The app, like for instance, now look at this SaaS product. It is called voice to voice translation app. Like for instance, now this one now, whatever I say here now, it will be transcribed to French instantly. So you can give it out to people who, like for instance, somebody that goes to a francophone country can actually use this app easily. Now let me test this app so that you see how it works. For instance, let me say, hello, as from the days of John the Baptist, kingdom of God suffered violence, and violence take it by force. Let me stop it. So if I stop it now, you see now this app takes me less than 30 minutes to 1 hour to build it. So you can see automatically it has transcribed it to French. Are you getting it? So all I need to do now to now play it in voice. Let's say you give this app now to somebody. All they need to do now is to click in play.
Bonjour, depuis les jours de Jean-Baptiste, le royaume de Dieu a souffert de violence et la violence le prend par la force.
Okay, so I can just copy the text now to go to Google Translate and check the text to see what's in French. So you can see, hello, since as from the days of John the Baptist, kingdom of God and violence take it by force. So you can see that it is pretty accurate. Now, these softwares are very high in demand. The second one I'm going to talk about here now that you can build easily, it is called email extractor. Now, if you look at this website now, it's actually free. You can go here to extract emails, but they made, because they have large traffics in this site, they made a lot of money from advert. All these things you see here now, they are advert from Google, and they pay massively for it. There are other sites you use and all that. So how do we now create this software now? If you look at it now, look at this one that I create now. You can see actually do it now. It has a free account. You can actually make it pay for people to pay. Like for instance, now if you look at the free account, you see it's only 5, but the paid one now you can extract unlimited emails. Now let me just test it by going to Google and just get some fresh email. Okay, so let me say content creators in Nigeria. Okay, let's say I want to get their email address. I'll just put at Gmail or something. Okay, and I'll click here on enter. So it's going to extract all their email address for me. Okay, I think there is not much here, but just a demo. So Control C, I'll just copy it and go to my extractor. So now if I go here, all I need to do now is to click here on, you can create a free account. I can just start extracting here, or I can just click here on sign in. Let me just sign in on using Google to sign in. So you can see here, you can see email extractor. All I need to do now is just to paste all those things. So it will ask you, how do you want to extract the email? So let me sort it A to Z. Assuming I want to group it, let's say I have several domain here, maybe Outlook, Hotmail, whatever, I'll just click it here, and I'll click here on extract emails. So if you look at this now, you can see found 4 emails. Okay, so this is the email address that it has generated. All I need to do now is just to click here and and click here and download. So if I click here now, you see that the email address has been downloaded. So these are the emails address and all that. So these sites are very, very hot and all that. I can check my stats and everything. So you can see these are the emails I've generated the last 7 days and all that. So how do you build this kind of software and app that is so easy? Now, if you join our AI vibe coding community, we will give you what we call master prompts. This master prompt now comes with everything. Instead of you to just go to this AI website builder and type build me so and so type of website, build me so and so type of app, it will generate rubbish for you. The models work with what we call GIGO, garbage in and garbage out. So the context, that is your prompt, is very, very important. So when you join our vibe coding community, we'll teach you prompt engineering, we'll teach you how to write this prompt. Then we'll also now give you the master prompt. We'll give you several master prompts. All you need to do in the master prompt is just to change. Let's say if you want to build this site now for yourself, you just change the name to maybe Tinubu Extractor or something. Or you can change these colors, you can add more features, you can put your ad, you can put videos, you can do anything you want to do with it. All is in the master prompt. So this is how you create softwares. Now, in the same master prompts too, we also give you master prompt that you can use to build professional websites. Like for instance, this is a Bitcoin investment website that will use this master prompts to create. You can see it has live chat button on WhatsApp. It has all these calculators for you to know your investment and all that. You can see your investment plan, all this from the master prompt that will be given to you. You can use it to generate sites. And some people will say, oh, it doesn't have backend. It's a lie. You can connect it to your backend. Like for instance, if I click here now, it will take me to the backend. All I need to do is just to log in here and put in my password. I'm putting my password now, and you see that the account will come up. So this is the account now. This is the dashboard. So it's very easy using your master prompts to create all this. So AI has gone so far. Don't allow people to confuse you with vibe coding. You can vibe anything and create it. So this is one of the investments. You can also use it to create an online bank. You can see this professional front page of the bank. If I click here now, it will take me to the back end. All I'll do here, I'll click here, open account. Once I click here, it will take me to the back end, but I don't want the video to be too long. Lastly, let me just talk about the investment site. So if you look at it now, I just use my master prompts to create this very clean website that you can use. Note, this site, you can build it from 200,000 and above, which is above $100, and you get clients all over the world that you build these things for, shipping and courier website and all that. So you do all this. So let me just test it now. So if I see, and all I need to do here now is just to click here on track shipment, then this is the back end. I'll just enter the tracking code here. Once I click here and enter the tracking code, I'll just click here on tracking. So you can see, so you can use AI to connect it to your backend and all that. So this is the tracking information, this is the history and all that. So it will take you to all these sites. Now, this is how you use your master prompt now to create this kind of app, this kind of softwares, this kind of website like this extractor. So now, how can you now build this website now using the master prompt? All you need to do now, once you join our community, we'll give you access to this master prompt. For instance, now look at this master prompt. We use it to create what we call AI content detector. You can, if you look at it now, what it does is that you actually give this software, it is highly, there is no content creator that does not need this software. All you need to do with this now is just to create a content creator AI detector software where whenever any text that is written by AI, it will be detected. So all I need to do now to create this software is just to come here, click here on Control A now, copy this master prompt and go to our AI website builder. So we are going to use Google AI Studio. All you need to do now is just to paste this prompt. I won't explain so much here. Under this prompt now, you can change the name, do whatever you want to do. But when you join our community, we'll show you how you edit this prompt and all that. All you need to do is just to click here on build, depending on the speed of your internet, but between 5 to 10 minutes, your website is ready. You can also use this site also, which is called lovable.com, lovable.dev. So all you need to do is just to paste the same prompt here too. There are other sites that you can use. We have, I think we have bolt.new, whatever, like that. See and quickly test. So let's say I go to Chat GPT and just say, write let's say write an article on success or something. You can see now. So I'll just like get the content and all that and paste it. So let me just copy something here now. After building it now, you can see now this is how um, the AI content detector will look like now. So all I need to do now, let me just click here and click here on paste on our software now. You can see now, once I click here on analyze now. So once I click on analyze now, it's going to detect the content. Then it will now analyze it and show us the percentage if the content is actually made with AI and all that. So you can see it now. This is the percentage that it gets. Most times it's not 100% accurate and all that. So that is how the software works. So you can see it's very easy. Just use your master prompt to put it on your AI builder. It's going to generate a professional software for you like this that you can monetize with ads. You can also sell it. You can also ask people to pay a subscription and all that. So in order for you to get access to this app, is just to visit our website, touristSchool.com/AI. It's actually just 2,500. You can see it on seller. You just make your payment. Once you make your payment, we'll give you access to our community. Inside the community, we'll give you all the master prompts. We'll teach you vibe coding. We'll teach you how to upload it. We'll also teach you how to convert this website to app. So basically, we are giving you a master prompt. We are teaching you vibe coding. We are teaching you web designing. We are also teaching you easily, and everything we do in our community is strictly for beginners, and it is straight to the point. We are not explaining terms, we are not explaining anything. So once you just join this community now, we give you access to the community on Telegram and WhatsApp. Then we also give you all the master prompts we need, audio tools, audio web builder, everything that you need to build this entire website. So join the community now. Go to seller and click on the buy. If you are in outside Nigeria, you can pay with your own currency and all that. Thank you.